Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi dear, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes. So thank you so much to click this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment after watching. So today I'm going to make unboxing beauty product again from Dior Beauty. So keep on watching. This is the box. Let's we open together. Okay. I'm so excited. I think this is like invoice, guys. Okay, delivery note. And what is this? Oh, like for free gift for the next my purchase, like that. And I didn't open this box, but smell very nice, guys. Oh my god, so pretty. Dior Beauty. Pretty ribbon, white color. So let's go to open. Wow, oh my god, how pretty, guys. Usually I buy Dior from Sephora. Okay, what is this? I think this is like the free gift for me. Yeah, that's we gonna to check. This is the miniature lipstick. And next, what is this? Oh, perfume, guys. Oh my god, Miss Dior, this is my favorite perfume, but so expensive, yeah. Wow, smells so nice, guys. Did you try this perfume? Comment below. Okay, and let's see the mini lipstick. Oh, 999 sets, guys. You know, this is like the best seller. Oh my god, so cute, guys. Wow, so cute. But this is satin lipstick, yeah, not matte. And let's see what is this. Okay, matte foundation, so good. Oh, same matte foundation but different shades. Okay, let's be gonna to open. So cute, guys. Like a toys. So cute. Tiny foundation. Okay, just put it up and let's see the face palette. Limited edition, yeah, they say limited edition. Face, eyes, lips. Wow, complete, guys. Oh, like this, so cute. Wow, I love black color. What is this? So cute brush. Oh my god, fluffy. Oh, can do like this. So cute, yeah, for cheek blush. Okay, just put it back. And guys, I love this design, really simple but elegant. This is like the building picture and behind is simple, nothing. Wow, so cute, guys. Okay, just open. Wow, big mirror. So, but this is really a natural eyeshadow like that. Yeah, I think I don't like this color, guys. Oh my god, the plastic is hard, like hard plastic like that, guys. Okay, we have the brush. Like this is the sponge brush like that, and another one, I think this is for the lip brush. So small, so cute. So this is the face powder, this is the eyeshadow, this is a bronzer, highlighter, blusher, and this one the lipstick, like that, guys. Complete, yeah. Now I want to show you how to do this makeup palette as the cloths. Okay, we just need like the strip or the bud like this, guys, and do like this. Okay, ta-da! How pretty, guys.